Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the magnetic screen door designed to fit door sizes of 36 by 96 inches, with a screen size of 38 by 97 inches, perfect for keeping bugs out while letting fresh air in. This screen door is crafted from durable fiberglass mesh and features a double windproof design, including a windproof sticker hasp and gravity sticks at the bottom to prevent it from being blown away by strong winds. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, and it comes with everything you need, including extra push pins for added security, making it easy to install and detach whenever necessary. The unique Keep Door Open buckle allows you to pull aside the magnetic mesh screen door effortlessly, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like exterior back doors, front doors, RVs, patios, French doors, or even as a pet screen door. With an upgraded closure process featuring 20 super strong long magnets running down the middle, this screen ensures a tight seal and quieter closure while still being easy to open. Its reinforced edges and ability to be bent and folded make it a versatile and long-lasting replacement for traditional fixed doors. So, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use screen door solution, this magnetic screen door might just be the perfect fit for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.